Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku. This is level 34 and let's start. We need to find 9 cats. We have 7 more to go. Now let's maybe try the pink one.
Nice!
Yes. Alright. This one here also. Okay, we need 5 more to finish. We have a brown one there. Alright. Maybe yellow one? No, alright. So, yellow one is probably there, yes. Alright, we need 3 more to finish. Okay, pink one is there. Alright, we need 2 more, so the blue one is there, and the green one definitely here.
Nice!
Alright guys,